Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we discussed the brute force approach to solve the two-sum problem, but as we saw, it is not efficient, especially for large inputs, and since it runs in big of n square time. So, in this video, let's explore the optimal solution using HashMap, which brings the time complexity down to big of n. Okay, so make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Let's dive into the video. So in the first case, given array is 2, 7 and 11 and 15, right? And target is 9. Okay, so instead of checking all pairs like 2 and 7 and 2 and 11 and 2 and 15, okay, instead of checking all pairs, we store the visitor numbers in our hash map. Okay, like if we visit 2, then we should store to our map. Okay, 2 will be stored to here. If we visit 7, then store it. If we visit 11, then store it. If we visit 15, then store it. Okay, before storing these elements to our map, we're gonna check one condition, like we will take one difference over here. Initially my I will be starting here, okay, which is my current number. Okay, so difference will be what? Difference will be uh, our target minus my current number, which is I. Okay, so we'll check difference before going to add to our map. So target is 9, right? So 9 minus our current number, which is 2. 9 minus
7.
2, which
Okay.
will be what? 7. So difference will be what? So if 7 is exist in our map or not, we're gonna check that if 7 is exist in our map or not. So our map is empty initially, so 7 is not exist, so we should store 7. If 7 is, what if the 7 is already exist in our map? That is our answer. Why? Because this 2 in 2 value and 7, which sum is equal to our target only. Yes or no? Yes. So 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and target is also 9, so we found the answer. So our map is not, in our map 7 is not exist, so we simply, what should we do? Simply add our current number to our map. Okay, so 2 will be added to our map. So I will be move to here. This 7 is our my current number. Okay, so again we calculate difference. So target is 9 and 9 minus I, which will be what? 9 minus 7, which will be what? 2. So difference will be what? 2 only, right? So is 2 exist in our map or not? Because 2 plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 7 is equal to what? 9 only. So we found the answer. So 2 is exist, yes it is. So we should return this index and my current index, my current number index. Okay, that is our answer. So we should return 0 and 1. That is our answer. So let's see in example 2. So given array 3 to 4 and target is 6, my I is pointing to 3, which is my current number. So again we are going to calculate difference. Difference is equal to what? Target minus my current number, which is I. So target is 6. 6 minus current number, what? 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to what? 3 only. So difference will be what? 3, right? Is 3 is exist in our map or not? 3 is not existed, so current number will be added to our map. Okay, 3 will be added. If 3 is exist in our map, then that will be our answer. Okay, because 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 only, right? So I will be moved to here. So target is 6. Again we are going to calculate this difference. Okay, so my target is 6 and 6 minus 2, which will be what? 4. Is 4 is difference will be 4. Okay, is 4 exist in our map or not? No, it's not. Then going to this current number will be added to our map, so 2 will be added. If 4 is existed, means our answer is 4. So 4 is not existed, right? So then I will be moved to here. Points to 4. Current number is 4. Okay, so again we are going to calculate difference. Okay, target will be 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to what? 2. Now difference will be 2. So again check, is 2 is exist in our map or not? Yes, 2 is existed. So this 2 plus and this 4, what? 6. 2 plus 4 will be what? 6 only. So answer is 4. Our target is 4, right? So return this index and this index, that will be our answer. So 1 and 2, this is our answer. So let's talk about time complexity and space complexity by using HashMap. So time complexity will be what? The time complexity will be big of n. Why big of n? Because we are running one for loop. We'll traverse the our I pointer to 0 to n, which is my last index. Okay, and what about space complexity then? The space complexity will be big of n. Why big of n? We created hash map, right? So and also in each and every time we are storing our array elements to our map. Okay, so big of n is the space complexity. Okay, so that is it. So let's code this one. So let's remove this one. So we create one map. So map. So we are returning indices, right? So integer comma integer map is equal to hash map. So run a for loop int hash start from 0 and I less than nums dot length comma I plus plus. While we running the for loop, so each and every time we gonna check diff, right? So int our diff is equal to our target minus my current number, which is nums of I. So if diff is present in our map, which is existed on our map, that means we found the answer, right? So we should return those indices values, right? So if my map dot contains key of different elements, then return those indices values. New int of map dot get of difference index and my current index value. So that is it. Otherwise, what should we do? We just simply add our current number to our map. Okay, so otherwise map dot put nums of current and nums of I, current number is nums of I. Okay, nums of I and that index. Okay, if we not found the answer, means what should we return? Just return empty array. So return int of array, and that is it. If we not found the answer, means we should return empty array. If the element was not existed on our map, means we just simply add that current number to our map. If the element is present in our map, means we should return those indices values. That will be our answer. That is it. Okay, let's run it. Okay, accepted. Let's submit it. Okay, beats 98%. Let's analyze complexity. See, big of n. So that's how we solve the two sum problem using HashMap in an efficient way. So if you learned something new, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and in the next video we will solve the another important LeetCode problem. So stay tuned.